Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is July the 15th, 2022, and we're looking at our cashew apple tree. It's getting kind of tall. This is just one of, I think, 11 on the property. But lots of cashews. It just rained. We've had an unusually dry July. Not one day of rain up until today in the whole month of July. But I was hoping to be able to harvest today this cashew apple. Doesn't look like it's quite ready, so we'll leave that one alone. And boom, this one is ready. This was on the tree this morning. Now, when you eat this fruit here, this cashew apple, it tastes somewhat, I can't really explain it. Oh, look, there's another one that was ready. Wow. So that's two, and there's another one back there that's almost ready. Yeah, so we're gonna get our fair share of cashew apples. Look, there's one on the ground down there. Look at that. There's one that fell. Very neat. So that's the cashew nut on the very end there. It's got a hard shell, and this is the fruit that you eat. Now, I don't eat the pulp. I just kind of like juice it in my mouth a little bit and then pull the pulp out, and I just enjoy it for the juice. So I'm probably going to get a juicer because the juice is pretty sweet. Now the pulp, it leaves this weird like stringency in your mouth, so I wouldn't, I'm not a fan of that particular feeling in the mouth, so I'm not, at least not yet. I guess it's like an acquired sensation or whatnot from eating these. But in Sri Lanka, in India, they like to take these cashew apples and season them with like a salt and pepper kind of seasoning, and they just eat them that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep these seeds for either for selling or for planting and sprouting cashew apple trees, and then possibly selling those. I'm not sure. We'll see what the markets do and how everyone responds to these being on the market. Anyhow, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get a juicer and juice those, and I'll probably get a really nice juice out of them. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our cashew apple trees on the property. Have a great day.